Maria earned $649 more after 1 year in interest in her 18% investment than in her 7% investment. If she invested $3,000 more in her 18% investment than in the other one, how much did she invest in total? Well, I'm just going to say that X will be the amount invested at 7%. And right here they say that if she invested $3,000 more in her 18% investment than in the 7% investment, then X plus 3,000 will be the amount invested at 18%, because she's investing more at 18%. And okay, so we know that she earned $649 more sorry, after 1 year in interest in the 18% investment. So I'm going to say this: the difference in the interest earned in both investments would be the total interest she earned at 18% minus the total interest she earned at 7%. So the difference was just $649. And how much did she earn at 18%? Well, we know that interest is principal times rate times time. Time is just 1 year. But the principal for the 18% was X plus 3,000, because that's the total amount that she invested at 18%. Now the rate invested at 18% is just 0.18. I said the rate invested, but it just meant the rate, right? The rate at 18% is just 18 divided by 100, 0.18. Now we're subtracting the amount of interest she earned at 7%. Now the principal at 7% is just X, because that's the amount invested at 7%. And the rate, when you're investing at 7%, is just going to be 0.07 times 1, which is the time. Now here at this point we can just solve for X. And once we find X, we know the amount that she invested at 7%. So let me just distribute the 0.18. So 0.18x. Actually, let me just quickly switch back the color here. X times 0.18, 0.18x. Then 0.18 times 3,000 is 540. And x times 0.07, actually it's negative x, so it will be negative 0.07x. Now I can subtract 540 from both sides of the equation. So these guys cancel out. 649 minus 540 is 109. And 0.18x minus 0.07x is just 0.11x. At this point, it can divide both sides by 0.11. These guys go away, and x is going to be equal to 990.91 approximately. So that's the amount she invested at 7%, and the amount invested at 18% was X plus 3,000. So the amount invested at 18% would be just 3,990.91. That's it.